Hey guys, welcome to something a little different. This is gonna be the first episode of building stuff on my server. As you see, you already saw the IP, but you can't join because only whitelisted people can, which is only 5 people: me, a brother, some other friends, like Nightwing, his brother, and his girlfriend, and not really, but his friend, he's a friend. Yep. So I got some warps set up, like warp. Just do. What should I do? Yeah, warp. Right here, I got food head building. I think I spelled building wrong. Creator. Warp number 2. Let's do creator. This is me. Not really me, but still. I kind of look good. Come on. So the op people, I should op Botan, or my brother, I should say. This is warp to spawn. Why I click it? Yeah, I'm back at spawn. This is warps, which will teleport me right up here. I got parkour, funhouse, pixel art, food, head building, and spawn. Pixel art, it's just a bunch of pixel art. This was done by my brother. This was done by me. This fish Nemo was done by me. It's supposed to be like this. Me and my brother had a building contest. Yeah, pretty much Botan did this all because he's the builder. I'm just the owner. See? I'm just the owner. But yeah, this right here, me and my brother built. It's so frigid long. This is like the Royal Guardian sword, but it's not that white. So yeah, those two were built by me. The cake built by my brother. So today I'm looking in, and I think we should build a bed. Oh yeah, if you guys want me to continue, hit that like button down below. And maybe if you don't, then move on. Go check out another video that I did. So, how about we move my bed right there so I can see a little bit more better. And then wood. This wood, and then I already have the other white wool, or just this. Oh no, we need and then is this it? Are we done? Okay, now we gotta pick a spot where we should build. I'm thinking right here. So right now I'm gonna do 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep, that's it for that. Then like that. No, wait, like that. And then like that. And then down below will be that. Okay, I'm doing bad already, but I'm not gonna give up. So right there, go up. Yeah, 1, 3 up. 3 up to the side. 2 to the side. another 2 to this side, then another, and then the gray come in, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Oh, no, it's this way. 1, 1, 1, 2, and 1 right there. Not looking like it, but we're still gonna try. Then from right here, 1, 2, 3, 3, and then that right there. No, it's 4 this time. Like it. Okay, there we go. Can we close it? Okay. Now do that. Hey, it's kind of starting to look like it. Okay. And then 1, 1, 2. Oh, it's like this. 2, 2. Oh god. This is messed up. But we're still doing good. Oh yeah, if you guys want to know how to set warps, it's slash set warp and then you do the name. So if you didn't know, there you go. You know now. Okay, let's just fill this up, and then there you go. It's a bed. A bed. Hey, it actually looks like a bed. Aren't you right? Is it? Yeah. Am I right? Am I right? No? Okay. Let's warp back. Wait. We gotta warp warps. Cool down. Then okay. Now Pixar. Okay. So, guess that's the end of that episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and yeah. Another Hunger Games will be out today, so stick around for that. Peace. Come on. Peace out.